and the sun is shining, and I'm driving in a car, and I'm going to somewhere where I can get something to eat, like a restaurant or something. It's gonna be a fabulous day.
Why your accent become like that though? Seriously.
That's my vlogging accent.
Okay, wait lang. Quiet. Okay. My turn, okay? My turn. Okay.
Hi guys. Fucking so cringy.
Fucking, it's so sunny. I can't see myself.
So cringy.
Cringe.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Sunday. Anong araw? I don't know what date, but it's Sunday and it's my day off. And supposedly, the plan for today from yesterday is to go to the colony and continue cleaning up. But then, you know, yeah, maybe Martin is gonna do it later alone. I'm not gonna go because I also got other things I have to do, because tomorrow I have to go to work again. But right now we are on our way to a restaurant. It's actually a Turkish restaurant, so it's gonna be my first time to eat Turkish food. And we've seen in the menu they got like a set, you know, like good for 2 people for 319 kroner, but it's already included with a lot of meat and bread and vegetables and rice. So yeah, so we're gonna go there and we're gonna have our first meal of the day, because hindi kami nag-breakfast and it's like about to be 1 in the afternoon na. So it's gonna be exciting kasi both first time namin kumain doon. So we're gonna enjoy it, and the sun is really shining. It's so nice. So it's gonna be a great day.
You come from outer space, and I was sprung out from the earth. We laid down face to face to witness our rebirth, and I'm not leaving.
Run. Okay.
Smile. I'll take picture now. Smile. Hello guys, katatapos lang naming kumain dun sa Turkish restaurant, and it was so good, and I really think it's worth the money. They got this 319 kroner na parang good for tuna, tapos ang daming pagkain, hindi namin naubos. But anyway, it was a good experience kasi normally hindi kami kumakain, hindi kami nagpupunta ng mga gano'n na restaurant. Normally Chinese or the normal Danish food or American or something like that. Pero Turkish, first time ko kumain ng ganon. It was so good. It was worth the drive that took us 45 minutes from home going here. And tapos na kami kumain na we're both happy and in a good mood. So we're on our way to buy lights. Kasi para sa colony daw, yung parang garden area namin doon is sobrang dilim, so we need some light bulbs na parang hindi tayo madisgrasya pag nagpunta tayo doon, ganon. Ito na kami guys. It's actually gonna be my first time din dito sa store na to. It's a Swedish company also, Build Tema. So that's where we're gonna buy the lights. And I can see they got a cafe inside and 5 kroner for a coffee and a snail. So I think I'm gonna have coffee there. And Martin can take the cake, snail. Win-win. Guys, nakita ko na ang solusyon pag hindi ka marunong sa gardening at hindi ka marunong mag-alaga at mag-cut ng mga grass. Andito na. There. Makakabili pala ng fake grass. See? Forever, buhay na buhay. Green na green. Hello guys, dumating na din kami dito sa bahay. Actually, 10 minutes ago, dumating kami. And it's been a nice day. Inubo pa ako. Pero it's been a nice day guys. Pumunta kami doon sa restaurant na first time naming kainan ni Martin. And it was really, really yummy. It was good food. It was so much food for both of us. Kaya hindi namin nakain lahat. But then it was really worth it. The money. Tapos after nun, nagpunta kami doon sa, nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan ng store. Pero attach ko dito yung pinuntahan namin. It's like a small IKEA store. Kasi yung may-ari noon is also from Sweden. It's a Swedish company. So, yeah. So, maganda rin tingin-tingin doon at medyo mumura-mura din yung mga bilihin. Ganyan, ang mga binili ni Martin, yung mga, light bulbs, light, doon para sa koloni namin. So, andun siya ngayon. Pagkadating namin dito, umalis din siya kasi iti-testing daw niya yung mga pinamili niya ng mga lights, kung maganda ba or hindi. And it's perfect timing kasi, dark na outside. So, makikita siya kasi outside light siya. So, yun. Ngayon, mag-isa na lang ako dito. So, relax-relax na muna. And then, ang dami ko din gagawin kasi ang dami naming nilaban kanina. So, yeah. At pagkatapos maglaba, ang gagawin sa susunod, it's so obvious. Magtutupi-tupi na naman ng mga damit, ganyan. And tomorrow is another day, working day na naman. Yeah, so yun. Yun guys, thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your Sunday.